By 2025, robots and artificial intelligence are anticipated to be ubiquitous. Numerous corporate industries, most notably healthcare, customer service, and logistics, may be significantly impacted by this. In addition to self-driving cars, AI has already made significant contributions to fields of climate study and medical research. If an AI simulation of a pop singer performs all over the world, does that mean she passes the Turing test? Don't be lazy and let AI steal your job. Welcome to Theory of Science. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and more videos. Let's take a deeper look into the rise of artificial intelligence and its chances of replacing humans in the near future. The basic definition of AI is a machine intelligence created to accomplish tasks in a manner similar to human intellect. AI proponents consider this to be a development for the better. It will be simpler for firms to find and fix issues. AI may enhance regular business procedures such as hiring, cybersecurity, marketing, and standard operating procedures. AI can quickly and accurately carry out complex algorithms and analyze massive volumes of data. AI is smartening and improving company efficiency yearly. What will it be like to work with robots? Humans are the ones who create robots. Although robots can labor around the clock, they cannot generalize or contextualize. They lack interpersonal skills. They have it hardwired to carry out very particular, well-defined duties. For humans, this is fantastic news, because it allows us to abandon boring, mindless activities and take on those that call for critical thought and intuition-based problem solving. While technology and AI are developing, most vocations will be complemented and enhanced rather than replaced. Researchers found that performance improvements were most noticeable when humans and machines collaborated. The study involved 1,500 companies. Humans play three key roles. They teach robots what to do, they explain the results, mainly when they are illogical or contentious, and they uphold the ethical use of machines. Both robots and humans are dependent on each other. Do you know why the programmers act so nice to AI? Because it's really self-conscious. If you've not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. Robots do the heavy lifting while their human teammate completes complementing duties requiring more skill and judgment. Context-aware cobots, or collaborative robots, execute repetitive motions dominated by heavy lifting in the manufacturing industry. You might not have a choice as to whether you're pro or anti-bot. Although Rosie the robot from the Jetsons is probably still a ways off, we already have robots that will clean our floors. Artificial intelligence has long been deployed in this customer service sector. Every industry and person is already being impacted by artificial intelligence. In the next 20 years, this unique technology will significantly impact our lives more than it now has, bringing both positive and troubling changes. One of the most well-known futurists, Ray Kurzweil, predicts that by the year 2029, computers will be as intelligent as people. While this technology is impressive, there are also serious ethical issues that it raises for humanity. Ex Machina, Transcendence, and Her, among other films, show us the adverse effects of AI, attaining human-level intelligence. Additionally, there have been some real worries expressed by technologists, legislators, and scientists that should not be dismissed. Most people will benefit from AI, but it will also change what it means to be a person in the 21st century. According to a World Economic Forum estimate, 85 million jobs will be eliminated by AI-enabled machines by 2025. Don't be alarmed, even though the statistic might seem horrifying. According to the same study, AI will generate 97 million new employments by 2025. So, while it is true that AI may replace some jobs, others will be created by AI or remain unchanged. We all make mistakes because we're human. On the other hand, computers are immune to human error. They are given instructions which they carry out exactly as written in the code. This is crucial for occupations like data entry, where a single error could cause havoc. Most likely, tasks that require copying, pasting, transcription, and typing will be replaced by AI. At the very least, a new AI coworker may be able to check your job. Lack of sleep, personal tension, boredom from monotonous activities, and even hunger are all issues that are unique to humans. For instance, staying up late affects how well you perform at work the following day. Sleep deprivation can also result in a lack of concentration, slower reaction times, irritation, and mistakes. Computers, on the other hand, don't require rest. Unless the electricity is out, their operational capacity is unaffected by anything. Humans grow bored when they perform the same action or activity every day. Machines are designed for just that purpose. Many occupations necessitate building trust and personal connections to relax, open up, and communicate about themselves. While AI is technically capable of performing the duties of a teacher, therapist, or nurse, it can't replace the crucial human relationships created by those who fill those positions. Despite being able to communicate, computers lack the human touch. Someone must be in charge of developing the AI algorithms themselves to have a completely automated workforce. Additionally, machines will need to be upgraded and replaced as technology advances. Those who understand the inner workings of AI robots will always find work. We must start thinking about how we might promote human-specific abilities while enhancing technology-related skills. Human abilities like creativity, intuition, initiative, and critical thinking are not expected to be transferred to machines very soon. We must start planning how businesses and employees can use robots to improve our work. If they aren't already, your next coworker will likely be a robot in no time. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, turn the post notifications on, and stay tuned for similar videos. See you next time!